Wiggins with Namco. We're here to show you two carpet cleaning machines today, the scooter. The Junior has a 10-gallon waste tank. It comes standard with two two-stage vac motors with a 100 psi pump. It's made out of aircraft aluminum. You have your Husky, which is a larger machine, has a 17-gallon capacity. The components, you have two three-stage vac motors, 235 inches of water lift, 100 psi. Both machines are constructed out of aircraft aluminum, easy, portable to get around. Both machines come with standard 50-foot of vac hose, 50-foot of solution hose in the mesh bag. Standard for both machines is a floor one 12-inch for water extraction carpet cleaning. And if you need an accessory for your upholstery and stairs, you have the upholstery tool as an optional item. The Namco scooter is unique because it doesn't have a solution tank to it. We built a siphon hose onto it that you throw right into the bathtub. You put in 10 inches of water, put your chemical in, it siphons the solution out at 100 psi, out to the wand. You can clean a 3-bedroom apartment and never have to carry any water with it. When the machine fills up, it has the dump tank, a ball assembly that fills up, pushes the ball up, shuts the vac flow off. You come out to your cockpit here, open it up. All the solutions out, you never had to carry any water. It's excellent for doing water extraction because you never have to, you just open up the cockpit, everything goes right out the commode. If you prefer to leave the machine outside when you clean the carpet, simply bring the bucket of water to the unit, put the take-in line right into the solution, and you're ready to clean. First, what we do for the cleaning process is we do a pre-treat. We're going to be using the step 1, which is the Magnum Blue. For 2.5 gallons of water, you're going to put in 16 ounces of the Magnum Blue. When you pre-spot, you're going to want to use your machine because it has 100 psi on it instead of a pump-up sprayer or a trigger sprayer, which is only 15 psi. You really want the product to go deep into the fibers. So you're not going to hook up your vacuum hose, you're just going to hook up your solution hose, turn your pump on, and now you have 100 psi. So pre-treat the real bad areas, your traffic areas mostly. You don't have to pre-treat where they have their couch and their coffee table because it's not really that dirty, but just the bad areas. Pre-treat it really, really good. This is going to do all the work for you. It's going to bring up the stains before you clean the carpet. Now we're going into our second step, which is our carpet cleaning process. We're going to hook up our vacuum hose. We're going to start doing our closets in our bedroom. That gives you more dwell time for your Magnum Blue to work on your bad stains. You're going to use a product called Fast Dry. It's made up of ground orange peels and lemon peels. It strips all the impurities out of the carpet, surfactants and soap, so it's going to leave the carpets real clean. You're going to use 2 ounces per gallon. You can also add the Hawaiian Plumeria, which is a deodorizer. You also use 2 ounces per gallon, and it's going to give it a nice fragrance at the end of the job. If your waste tank starts to develop a lot of foam, it's going to push up the ball and cage and cut the backflow off. You can use a foam break product to cut the foam out. Just simply put in 1 to 2 ounces into the dump tank and it'll cut all the foam out for you. Another process you can use for the machine is water extraction. You have an overflow commode or a bathtub. You hook the machine up right over the toilet, hook in your vacuum hose, vacuum up all the wet area with your machine. When the machine fills up, you just simply open up the cockpit and everything goes right down the drain. You can use a Liquid Alive Super Task Force. After you extract all the water out, spray this onto the area and it eliminates the bacteria and the odor from developing. If you have some touch-up stains that you have to get up, you can bring out your stainerator. It's aerosol. It's a dry cleaning solution in a can so it doesn't leave the stain wet. If you happen to walk into a unit, see a stain, or it's great for your clubhouse, your leasing office, simply just spray onto the stain and brush it in with your shoe and it evaporates the stain immediately for you and doesn't leave it wet. This is the Namco fogger. It's great for fumigating an apartment if you have pet odor, nicotine, ethnic cooking oil, or mold and mildew. It takes 15 minutes to do a 3-bedroom apartment. You can also use it for the refrigerators if you have food items left. You put it to the open part of the refrigerator and it takes 5 minutes. You're going to use a product called Liquid Alive Super Task Force. It takes 20 ounces into your cylinder, fill the rest up with water. Put the jet to the open part of the unit, turn it on. For your time. If you're looking for a great in-house system for water extraction, carpet cleaning, odor control, this is the system. For more information, you can contact your HD Supply rep. Thank you.